A very good morning to all of you. I am your host Shrikant Bhardwaj. Today we will be doing Die Wochentage. Welcome you Lection 2. Lection 2. That is lesson 5 Die Wochentage, the weekends. In this video we will be now learning that what we call the days or the week in German language. Okay, we will be learning here how we can pronounce Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday in German language. So this is very important and vital thing, and we all have to know and learn this in a very simple manner. Okay, in spite of this we will also see some of the tricks that we can use very frequently and easily in German language. So let's begin die Wochentage. Lektion 5. Die Wochentage. Weekdays or the days of the week. Der Wochentag means weekday or the day of the week. Now, if you compare both these, what we can notice from here, if we compare both these, we can easily notice that here this E is there, which is not present. Now, Wochentage and Wochentag. This Wochentage, it is a plural. It is plural in German language, and this is singular. This is singular. This is singular. Now, it means that whenever E is there, a singular will get transformed into a plural one. Okay, I am not saying that this rule is 100% applicable throughout the German language, but it is more than 90% applicable. So you will find it very useful. Okay, remember this, that whenever you want to convert a singular into a plural one, just add E at the end. Okay, and one more thing, D. This article, it is also accompanied with the plural ones only. Okay, and der, it is for the masculine. Der is for the masculine. Okay, so Wochentage, weekdays or the days of the week, and Wochentag means weekend or the day of the week. Das Wochenende. Das Wochenende, it means weekend. Der Tag means the day. Die Tage means the days. Again, you can notice this, that here we are having E, but here no. So this is your plural, and this one is your singular. Okay, remember this. It's a very easy. Now moving to the next slide. Die Woche. Die Woche means the week. Die Wochen means weeks. Ein Jahr. Jahr, it is for year. Jahr, it is for year. Ein is for one. So ein Jahr means 1 year. It is equals to 12 Monate. 12 Monate means 12 months. More, ein Monat, that is 1 month. Vier Wochen. Vier Wochen means 1 month equals to 4 weeks. Okay, so from here you can say that Woche is for a week and Wochen is for a weeks. ध्यान रखिए. Now moving further, ein Woche, that is 7 Tage. Ein Woche, 7 Tage. That is 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now we are moving to how we can pronounce the days. That is Monday to Sunday. Der Montag means Monday. Der Dienstag, that is Tuesday. Der Mittwoch, der Mittwoch, Wednesday. Der Donnerstag, that is Thursday. Der Donnerstag. Der Freitag, Friday. Der Samstag means Saturday. Der Sonntag means Sunday. Again, one more time. Der Montag, der Dienstag, der Mittwoch, der Donnerstag, der Freitag, der Samstag, der Sonntag. Okay, so this is how we can pronounce the days in a week in German language. Now, one very important thing, this Samstag, in some part of the Germany, which is also known as der Sonnabend. Der Sonnabend. Remember this thing? Saturday is known by the two names, der Samstag or der Sonnabend. Now, one very important trick, okay? And this trick, we can use it in order to pronounce the name of the days in a week. Now, how we can pronounce them? One very easy way that we all can apply here, okay? Der Montag. Der Montag. So, what we can do here, we can write this Mon, okay, and Tag. Montag. So, der Montag. Similarly, here, Dien, okay, it is der Dienstag. So, what we can write? Dienstag. Der Dienstag. Similarly, der Mittwoch, we can write here Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Now, der Donnerstag. Der Donnerstag. It is like this. Donnerstag. Der Donnerstag. Freitag. 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 Der Samstag. Der Samstag. Der Sonntag. I hope so you like this trick to be very useful. So this is how we can pronounce. Again, one more time. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Okay? Now, some examples. Ich habe am Montag Ihnen Termin beim Arzt. Beim Arzt. Ich habe am Montag. I have an appointment with doctor on Monday. Now, how we can connect this? This Termin. This Termin, it means meeting. Okay? It means meeting or appointment. This asked. This asked. Now, how we can pronounce it as? It is A-R-S-T. It is asked. Means doctor. So, ich habe am Montag einen Termin beim Arzt. Beim Arzt. Okay? Remember this thing? It is pronounced. It is a pronunciation method. A-R-S-T, that is asked. It means doctor. It means doctor. Moving to next. Am Sonntag schon wir uns einen Film ein. Now, this word schon. On Sunday, we are going to watch a movie. Okay? It stands for on. Remember this. It's a very common word which is used with weekdays. Bitte help mir am Donnerstag bei meine Arbeit. Meine Arbeit. It means please help me out on Thursday in my work. Bitte is for please. Okay? This bitte, it is used for please. Arbeit, you know, for work. Now, very important. Die Arbeitstage or die Woche or a week. So, from Monday to Friday, this is known to be as working days. Okay? So, these are the working days in Germany. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag. So they are known to be as your Arbeitstage. That is the work days or die Woche, a week. Now, das Wochenende, it means weekend. Das Wochenende means weekend. Der Samstag, Saturday. Der Sonntag, Sunday. So these are known to be your weekend days. No. Again, very significant, for every Monday or on Mondays, we need to add s in the end. Now, every Monday it represents singular, but on Mondays it means the coming all Mondays. So we need to add s. Example, Montags, Dienstag. If I am saying Montag only, that is for a particular Monday. But if I am saying Montags, it means for the coming Mondays. Now, one more example. Sonntags gehe ich Fußball spielen. Sonntags gehe ich Fußball spielen. That is, on Sundays I go to play football. Grüß auf Deutsch. It means here greeting. Grüß means greetings in German language. Greetings. Now, Grüße auf Deutsch. That is greetings in German. This Grüße, it means greetings. It means greetings. Now, schönes Wochenende. Schönes Wochenende. It means have a nice meeting. Have a nice meeting. Schönes, it means nice or beautiful. It means nice or beautiful. One more thing, for the pronunciation of this Grüße, what we can do, we can pronounce it like this. Grüße. Grüße. Okay? Means greetings. Now some very common questions. Okay? We will do a question which is very commonly asked. Eine sehr häufige Frage. Frage, it stands for question. Häufige, we can pronounce this like this. Häufige. Okay, it means common. It means häufige means common. So eine sehr häufige Frage. a very common question. Was magst du am Wochenende? This is a question. Was means what? Magst du am Wochenende? What are you doing on the weekend? Am Wochenende spiele ich Fußball. So this will be your answer. You can replace Fußball with any of your activity. At the weekend, I play soccer. At the weekend, I play soccer. Okay? This Frage, if you want, then this Frage, it can also be pronounced like F-R-A-A and G. Frage. Okay? Now moving to the next slide. Soccer. Some more examples over it. Was ist heute Tage? What day is today? Heute means today. So heute is Montag, today is Monday. Thank you very much. I hope so you like this video, and if you have any query, then you can ask me in a comment. I will definitely answer you, and I hope so you will like and share this video among your friends. Thank you very much.